my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Usha subscribe. Nice! If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are starting our 30 Christmas recipes or our Christmas album. And starting off today, we are starting with the Christmas pinecone. First of all, you're going to need some cereal cocoa shells. Next, you're going to need some brown chocolate cake. Next, we are going to have some desiccated coconut. And finally, we are going to have some icing sugar for dusting. So we are going to take the chocolate cake and then you're going to crumble it. You're going to make it have crumbs. Yeah? Crumbs. Once it becomes fine like this, you see how fine this is? Now we are going to try and form some cone shapes. You're just going to do this, but now forming cone shapes. Then you add your snow. These are desiccated. This is desiccated coconut. So we are going to spread it out ikae kama snow vizuri tu. Well, perfectly. Well, now once you have that, now you're going to add your cones. Our Christmas pine cones are ready. Zinakaa vizuri. Mashallah, they look so nice. Honestly, kama haujui cha kutengeneza Christmas, nishakupea idea. Sasa hiyo itakuwa shida yako kama hujui cha kupika, right? Anyways, acheni niende nisherehekee my Christmas pine cones, and I hope you've subscribed and enjoyed the video. Anyways, bye. Nawapenda.